Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 20 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really busy but great week here at Simons Middle School last week. We did name our top 3 Amazing Shake winners. So coming in third place was Ava Bowling, second place was Emma Black, and the champion was named Maddie Singer. These 3 young ladies emerged as the winners of our second annual Amazing Shake. After 4 rounds of competition, the final 5 competitors dined at Deshays this week as part of a working lunch interview with the 3 community members who assessed and calculated their scores. The top 3 winning students were announced on Wednesday this past week in our gym in front of all of SMS students and staff, and they have been celebrated for their hard work and given many accolades for their success. We're really proud of them. This trio will travel to the Global Amazing Shake competition in Atlanta, which will be March the 21st through the 24th. So congratulations, ladies. I know you're going to bring it in Atlanta, and I'm very, very proud of you. So upcoming this week at SMS, we do have an admin team meeting on Monday at 8. We will be also having our SMS book fair, and that's going to be all week. It is also Frisk Week, so it is celebrating our family youth service center coordinator, Ms. High. It is also National School Counseling Week. So we will also just give a little shout out to Ms. Ellison, who is our school counselor, and she does a great job here at SMS. On Tuesday, our leadership class students will have a debate during 8th period in our SMS library. On Wednesday, parents, we will be having a parent-teacher conference that will start at 4:30, and it will last until 6. On Thursday, we will have PLC's teachers. Counselor cadre is happening from 10 to 12. There is a TNI meeting at 3:30. I'm going to guess that's in our SMS library. And then we do have some select students who are going to Frankfurt on this day as part of the Future Politicians Initiative. On Friday, we will have a KSA bootcamp article in English, and it is, as always, Bring It Friday. So I do see in the connection also that it states that we are going to have the masquerade dance on Saturday from 6 to 8, but we are going to move the date of that dance. So while we are not canceling it, we are going to have it on a different day, and we will keep you guys updated as to what day that will be. Also this week, as part of the library, Miss Wagner wanted me to remind everyone that you can sign up for something called e-wallet. This is a safe way to provide your students with a credit or, a way to purchase books from the book fair without actually having to send them with cash. The book fair will be February the 5th through the 9th. You can just scan this QR code to create an e-wallet for your student. It is a safe way to send money without the risk of them losing cash. At SMS, though, they will accept cash, e-wallet, credit cards, and checks, as long as those are payable to Simons Middle School. And we do want to take a moment today to shout out to our student spotlights, Caitlin Florence and Wyatt Hinton. These 2 students both qualified for the KHSAA regionals. I believe, from what I know, after they qualified, Caitlin swam as part of the team relay, and her team came in 8th, and then I believe Wyatt came in 12th in the 100-yard backstroke. So these are huge accomplishments for middle school students, as this is the KHSAA Region 9 Swim Championship, and that was held yesterday in Richmond at EKU. I know their coach was very proud of them. I got some shout outs and accolades, and we think they're pretty great kids. They're awesome students here at SMS, polite, and just good individuals. So I'm very proud of both of you, and I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you do here at SMS and at FCHS as Swimming County Panthers. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.